Hello dear friends! Surely each of you has encountered a white film around the base of your faucet, which is incredibly difficult to clean. The aerator mesh becomes so clogged that the water flows in a thin stream, and the faucet handles become coated with a thick limescale layer as if they haven't been touched in years. If this describes you, great! Today I'll show you how to deal with it easily and without a single bottle of store-bought chemicals. And at the same time, we will restore your sink to its original whiteness. All you need is just a few things: plain white vinegar, paper towels, a toothbrush for hard-to-reach areas, and be sure to wear rubber gloves. Let's start by rinsing the faucet and sink with cold water. Then generously pour vinegar over all the dirty surfaces. Its acid reacts with the calcium and magnesium salts that make up limescale, literally destroying them from the inside. If you have minor stains, just wait a couple of minutes, scrub with a sponge, and your faucet will sparkle. For more serious stains, try a different approach. Soak paper towels in vinegar and apply them to the problem areas, especially where the faucet meets the sink. To clean the aerator, take a small bag, fill it with vinegar, and place it directly over the faucet spout. By the way, you can simply unscrew the aerator and soak it separately. I demonstrated this in one of my videos. The link to it will appear in the top right corner. Or buy a new one, they are very inexpensive. Now warm some vinegar in a bowl to about 50 degrees Celsius. Don't let it boil. Warm vinegar works much more effectively. Soak paper towels in it and wrap them around the valves. Add vinegar periodically to keep the process going. Over time, the sink turns gray or yellow due to soap deposits, skin particles, and salts from the water. Before the main cleaning, wipe it with vinegar. This will dissolve the limescale, making subsequent cleaning much easier. I left the faucet wrapped in paper towels for about an hour. Now remove them and clean off the softened deposits. It should come off easily. If any remains, repeat the process. Chrome-plated faucets have a thin protective coating over a silicone or brass base. Limescale gradually erodes this layer, allowing corrosion to occur underneath. Vinegar will remove a small amount of fresh calcium deposits without damaging the faucet, but if left untreated, limescale will permanently damage the chrome. So don't put off cleaning for too long. The valves had to be left wrapped a little longer. The limescale on them hadn't had time to soften completely in an hour. For the sink, I use a homemade cleaning paste made from laundry soap and baking soda. It's natural, inexpensive, and versatile. It works on the stove, bathtub, sneakers, and even for removing stains from clothing. The recipe is in one of my videos. Finally, be sure to rinse everything with cool water. And remember a few rules. Don't use metal scourers, and if you have a black or matte faucet, Test the vinegar on an inconspicuous area first. And most importantly, wipe the surfaces dry after each use. This will significantly slow the formation of white residue. The results speak for themselves. Even the most serious calcium deposits were completely removed. The aerator is clean, and the sink is sparkling white again. And all thanks to ordinary vinegar. Let me know in the comments if you have hard water in your area and if you've tried this method. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more proven cleaning hacks to come. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.